In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. If you want to get easy mode on this OPPO, you don't need any app or any trick. That's because this OPPO device has easy mode in its settings. To activate it, tap on device's settings first and then scroll all the way down to access this section called Accessibility and Convenience. In it, you need to scroll again, this time to tap on Simple Mode. Now hit Enter Simple Mode. And as you can see, after a few seconds, Easy Mode was successfully enabled. Now, after launching Simple Mode first time, when you go into settings, you can see that your settings didn't change, only font size. That's actually a common bug, so to get rid of it, you need to exit settings and launch them in the background. Then swipe them. And after a few seconds, when you access settings again, you should see Simple Launcher. To disable Easy Mode completely, go into Settings, scroll all the way down and hit Exit Simple Mode. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!